Good day, my flicky friends, and welcome back to another episode with Switchblade Wade's EDC. Thank you for joining me again. I hope you're all good. So today we have another Microtech knife video for you, as you can see. But before we begin with the video, let's get the you to like this video and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's get this channel up to 1,000 subscribers. So if you are watching and you haven't subscribed, do us all a favor and show your support and subscribe to this channel. Check out our other videos, lots of switchblades. Also like this video again, and most importantly, don't forget to visit our Webstore. The link to the Webstore is in the description of this video, and also on our homepage. So without further ado, what do we have here? So remember the UTX 85 video that I had in the previous video that I did a couple of weeks ago? I wasn't really happy with how small the UTX was. I needed something bigger, so I decided to trade that one, return that one where I bought it, and buy Ultratech at another store because they had the finish I wanted. So I was also open to thinking, okay, if I'm going to get another Ultratech, I might as well look for a different color. So which color did I get? Dun 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 dun. I got the same color. I just couldn't resist. I just came all the way back to this one again, and yeah, so this is the one I got. OD green, full serrated, double edge. Once again, I'm much more happier with this one. It's a bit shiny because I did oil her up now. Seems like she was getting dry. Much better knife, much more happier. Bigger, blade is bigger. Let's just get some tissue here. He's a bit oily, like I said. Much happier. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, and couldn't be happier. I was a bit disappointed in the other one, so that one I sent back to the store in South Africa where I bought it, where I live, and then I decided I could only find this same color combo in the United States, so yeah, got this one. Much happier. Now these knives, I've been learning, you do have to keep them lubricated inside for them to function optimally. Just a beautiful finish. I love this color combo, as you know. Beautiful, just badass, bad to the bone. Just bad to the bone. Much more happier with this bigger knife. Ultratech OD green. Let's just solid. This one doesn't have any play in it, which I'm happy about. No play at all. Just bad ass. Let's get a cool photo going for the thumbnail. Love this color combo, badass. So yeah, it's been my everyday carry since, but It's not a knife you're gonna take to the beach or underwater. It's just you know, something that's quick for EDC. The serrated edge is very, very sharp. I love it. The plain edge is also sharp. I like this pointy tip. Just badass finish. I would prefer to get this knife in an 11-inch 28 centimeter. That would be a nice size. So which Microtech is a 28 centimeter, do you think? Just got a little to just sort something out there for a second. So let's take a look at this badass mother knocker. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Just polish this blade up a bit. Don't wanna do it while looking through the camera, because this thing is damn sharp. Got me a few times. This was my Christmas present to myself. Yeah, I traded in a few spider codes to get this bad boy, because we all know how expensive Microtech knives are. But yeah, just badass. Badass. This black coating's been a bit strong on here, because this is the only nick I have on the pocket clip. Just trying to focus, very small. Just a badass knife. What can I say? Just badass. It's really stabby. Really stabby. So guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe. Let's get this channel over 1,000 subscribers by March, before March. So help a brother out and show your support if you like what I'm doing here. I'm sure you do, otherwise you wouldn't be here. So don't be shy, subscribe, man. Like the video. What's your favorite Microtech, and which Microtech do you think I would like that's 28 centimeter, like the size of my normal 11-inch 28 centimeter stiletto switchblades? I guess I'm not really familiar with Microtech's models, but I like this. I want to get me a Ultratech, a Tanto, full serrated next. Well, I got some extra funds to blow on that. Just badass, nice, tactical. I love this finish. Just had to get it again. Other one was way too small for me. This blade is a bit bigger, much nicer, happier. Just keep them lubed up inside. So what I used to keep it lubed, I just use some Q20. It's been working great. Any gunk in there, this thing will spray it right out and it will be working. And then, like they say, you just got to get some compressed air. I just use this computer cleaner, compressed air, dust buster. It's been working good. Get that excess oil out there. So guys, don't forget to visit our web store. Check out all our cool switchblades there, and get yourself some stuff. We have switchblades, 9-inch stiletto switchblades from $45 each. We also got our custom tang stamp switchblades, EDC tang stamp knives available. Right now we have the PK 110 and 112 automatic, $75 each. They come with the Switchblade's EDC tang stamp. So just check it out on the website there. Let's get another fire going. Then we can cut this one. Just put it here in the sun. Beautiful. Oh yeah, baby. Gotta keep on rolling. You know what time it is. Gotta keep them lubed up too. They do, this one has misfired mainly when closing, and I guess that's just a lubrication issue, and it hasn't been doing it since it's been lubed up. So yeah, no play in this one. Very cool, man. So thank you for joining me again, my flicky friends. I'll see you on the next video. Ooh, 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 ooh. Blackout screws with a OD green, just badass. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. 1,000 subscribers, let's do it. Like the video, visit the Webstore. See you on the next one. Peace.